I attended a workshop called Unlocking the Book Within You with Fong, and my goodness, what a great experience. So first off, it was a lot of fun, and Fong is a really gifted coaching and group coach. He's really a talented facilitator. So he kept it fun and engaging, and he made it a really safe space where people could really voice their ideas and work with each other and share ideas about how to make their books better. And it's our gift to the world, and he really values that and saw that and honored that, and I really appreciated that about him. And he was it was really informative, and he gave a lot of information about how the process worked and how to make it successful, and that really stuck out to me. He was really committed to my success and the success of all of the participants and everyone who wants their book out there. So at first going in, I wasn't sure kind of how the process would work and how my ideas would become, words on a page and into a book. But he really helped to crystallize my thoughts, and he helped to solidify my ideas, which I appreciate a lot because it'll save me a lot of time and saves me a lot of the headache and the heartache that if I was to do it on my own, I'm sure I'd run into. So, and he saw through some things and pointed out some things that might not work so well, that I thought might work well with the book, but I can see now wouldn't be the best. And he really helped me to understand kind of how the flow goes, and how that translates into really a book that can help people. He explained how everything worked and shared his insights and what to do, like sort of with the mechanics of things and how to do it, but more so like why it's important, and the reasons for all this. So I understood sort of the impetus and the rationale for everything, and answered all the questions. So really appreciated that. So again, great coaching, great partnership. I appreciated his graciousness and his time and his patience with everything. And I can't recommend working with Fong enough. It's just it's worth your time and money, and I'd highly recommend that you do it.